next viral disease is swine influenza or swine flu disease. This disease is caused by classical swine flu virus, that is swine influenza virus, and the pathogen of influenza virus is H1N1 virus. It is first isolated from pigs in the year 1930, and this is the reason it is called as swine influenza or swine flu. The disease is transmitted by three ways. Transmitted among pigs, it is transmitted to humans, and it is transmitted among humans. In case of transmission among pigs, the influenza is quite common, and the main route of transmission is through direct contact between infected and uninfected animals. Airborne transmission through aerosols produced by the pigs coughing and sneezing leads to the infection. In case of transmission among humans, the virus spreads from humans through cough, sneeze, or by touching the contaminated surfaces and then touching the nose and the mouth. In case of transmission to humans, the people who are working in the poultry and swine are at greater risk to these kind of zoonotic infections that occurs due to influenza virus. The incubation period is all about 1 to 7 days. The symptoms in case of swine flu is different with respect to swine as well as with respect to humans. In case of swine, the influenza infection produces fever, lethargy, coughing, sneezing, difficulty in breathing, and even have the decreased appetite. Whereas in case of humans, the symptoms are somewhat like the influenza-like illness, that is fever, cough, sore throat, body ache, headache, chills, and fatigue. Till now, no vaccine is available for the treatment of swine influenza or swine flu. The work in context with the vaccination development is still in progress. That's all with the viral diseases. Hope you like this video. Please comment and like and subscribe after watching this video. Thank you so much.